Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you the entire process how to add shapes in a video in a shape. So now there's actually multiple ways to create some shapes. First, we can actually use the pen tool or press B to select the pen tool, and now we can create a shape. And now let's say that's one shape, but like to create a different shape but more details. Now there's actually another method. What you can do is actually head over to file, and here in file, new, and click on Photoshop file and click on OK and save and OK. Name your file from there as well, and now Photoshop will actually open, and here you can actually create a shape, and then just once you save that file, it will actually get important in Premiere Pro, which is really cool. Now you can also import a shape from the internet. There's multiple ways. Now here, if you click on right click here and select custom shape build, from here you can just grab some shapes from here, or you can also create one with a pen tool. So yeah, there's multiple ways. If you really take the time, you can create something really nice. Hold shift to create shape. Now I'm gonna exit and save. Now I should have the shape here, which is here. And now if I actually go double click here, you can move the shape. Now if I go to effects, if you can't find effects, go to window and just enable effects. Here, track matte key, grab this, select the video where you like to add this effect. I'll add this to this video, and I'm just gonna select the video and double click, which will add the effect. Now I'll select effects control. I need actually effects control, so I just enable it. And now matte control, I'm gonna go and this shape is placed in the video 4, and now we have this video inside this circle. And of course, if you have another video, you can even add a video behind. Actually, I don't like that video. Now we have this shape video inside this circle, and you can select the shape and change the scale, position. From here, make sure you enable effects controls if you can't find it. You can change the rotation. You can change the uniform, so it's not uniform scale now. You can also change blend mode, which not really affect that much. And you can also select the video, this one, and actually move now the video. So that's pretty nice. And if I select the video, move this down here, maybe double click on this and select. Now if you like to move the image, the video that's inside this shape, you can actually go here and write offset and drag this, or just select your video and double click. Now go to effects control, make sure you move this offset on top of track matte key, and now we can actually move this video, which is really nice. Blend with the original. For this won't work, but now you can also move the video here, left and right, but remember that's just offset. That's why you have this effect. Now maybe you want to add a stroke to your shape. So what you can do is actually gonna have to create actually a shape inside Premiere Pro. That's one way what's one method I know, but there could be more ways, but I'm not aware of. And so actually you can leave this on. And if you go here and select the clips tool, hold and then select clips tool, and here I'm just gonna, and make sure you hold shift. And now we have this graphic on here. We have the walking video, and now we have this video inside our image. And of course now we can go back and actually change the offset. If it's this now here, we can actually move what's inside. I mean the video inside the shape. And now, if I remember correctly, we have to go to Essential Graphics, Edit, select the shape. Now, because we created the shape inside Premiere Pro, we have the capability option to change here. And here we have fill, but we're gonna have to Control Alt and then drag down. And here we don't need fill for this one, not for that one, for this one, sorry. We don't need fill, but we need stroke. So I'm just gonna increase the stroke, move it like this, so it's in center, and now basically we have a stroke. And we can change from here, inner stroke or center stroke, which I like, I like center stroke. And now you may say, if I move this, we'll actually move, we will want, you want to move the video, but also the stroke. So I know one solution, probably there are more. And if I hold this graphic and the other one, and I right click, I can select nest, which will create basically a video. And that's actually not a good idea. Alright, so I thought I'll get a different result, but anyways, no worries. No worries. Can select the other one here, and let's actually link. That one doesn't work either. Unlink then, and group. Okay. Apparently I have no idea what I'm doing. So sorry for that, but yep. Okay, so now if I select all the videos here, the graphic, the walking, and the third one, if I right click and I nest, now should work. Yeah, so the mistake I did, I should have nested the video as well, not only the graphics. So yep, my bad, I'm really sorry. Now I can move this maybe in the corner, maybe here. And we have the video. We can still go back, walking, and change, reposition, back, and now, so we can still change. Can even go to volumetric color and double click here, walking, auto, increase, contrast, and exposure, and highlights, and shadows. Okay, this video is really too long, but yeah, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you found this video helpful, you learned something, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Take care, and if you have any questions or suggestions for the next Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial, let me know in the comment section.